Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you, everyone, and welcome. I'm your host, Mujibul. Welcome to Halal Crypto Investing. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering the Celestia airdrop, the first airdrop, how you can claim, why you should stake, the value of the DYM token, and future possibilities. So if this interests you, continue watching the video. And if you want to get in touch with the team, you can contact us at halalcryptoinvesting@gmail.com. So subscribe to our channel. So here is our video. And in the last video I did, or actually on the 23rd of November is when I first did my Celestia video. And if you bought the token and you staked, you would be getting an airdrop. And this is what I mentioned in my last video. Celestia is modular money. So what does the modular money mean? What is this free crypto money? Only in crypto do you get free money, at least for now anyway. So this is the X page, Twitter page, Dimension. And if we go there, they have their Genesis Dimension page. So on this page, it tells you if you are eligible for an airdrop. So if you click on this, you can see more details about how you get it. If you staked on Celestia, which is what we bought, or if you use some of the other Ethereum layer 2s, if you stake Cosmos, as well as some Solana and other NFTs. So that goes into detail with that. And you can see the different chains are there. So you are airdropped some tokens. So this is a video on how you can claim. I'll put this in the link in the descriptions. I'll put this link in the descriptions. So Dimension DYM airdrop, it's got a nice tutorial. I don't need to go through everything, just follow the steps. Now, if you followed the steps based on this video, you would be getting 205 DYM tokens. Dimension. Now, Dimension is a very good project. So I wouldn't sell straight away. So you'll be eligible for 205 airdrops. Now, what is the value of DYM's airdrop? So this is a nice little thread. I'll put this in the description. Some quick modular maths on today's Dimension airdrop. TIA launched at these prices. So DYM has a total supply, also 1 billion. So I expect them to launch around $1, so about $1 billion fully diluted value in a few weeks' time. And you can read the tweet in full detail. What I want to highlight is you might be watching this thinking, who is this Mujibul? He's been in crypto and talking about this free money. He's got so-called, he says he's lost so much money in crypto and so on. Why would you follow a guy like this? I'll just do some quick maths for you, even if you don't believe me. If you were to buy, say, 50 pounds of Celestia, just 50 pounds, not even a lot, and you stake that, you'd now be eligible for 200 DYM tokens. By the way, I believe it's going to be worth more than that, but you get 200 DYM tokens. Another thing before I forget is, this is if everybody claims. If not everybody claims, it could be more than 200. Is that what the video shows? You've got a minimum of 200. So if everybody claims, you get 200. If everybody does not claim, you get more than that. But let's just take 200 for now. Now, based on this, it can easily be a $1 billion project. If it is, then one token is worth $1. So you sell 100 tokens, you get $100. If the project grows, which I believe it will, and I believe in this project, I think it will do much more than 10 billion. But let's just go with 10 billion for now. At 10 billion, and you sell the remaining 100 tokens, that's $1,000. Add them together, you get 1,100. What's today's exchange rate for $1? $1 is 0.78. So you multiply these two together, and you get £858. So with your £50 investment in Celestia, you will have got £858 in return, and you still are holding your £50 Celestia. So this is what this crazy guy on the internet is talking about, free money. And once you do it, £50 is not a lot of money. Play with it. Not play, it's hard-earned money. I do not want to lose any pounds or pennies. So I don't want to lose any money, but this is what I'm doing. Just a little bit of money that if I lose, I'm not going to lose sleep over it. That will give me £858. Now, is it too late for staking? So here are a list of potential upcoming airdrops. So this is not guaranteed, but this is a potential. Now, the thing is, these are all good, not these, but there will be very good projects on that will airdrop into Celestia, like Dimension. So Dimension is something I want to buy, but I can't. So this is like a second way of getting into these projects. So if we have a quick glance at this, Eclipse is the fastest layer 2 powered by Solana Virtual Machine that may airdrop you. Berachain, EVM equivalent L1 built on Cosmos, looks like a halal good project. Movement Labs, I've been hearing good things about this. Again, a network of modular move-based blockchain, so that's interesting. Fluent, don't know what that is, so I'll look into that. Lightchain, Lightlink, I don't know what that is. So again, just by being airdropped, you are getting these. Some of these are good tokens. So Hyperlane, by the way, is a very good project. I'm hearing good things about it. Manta, I've heard good things about it. And Monad, I've heard very good things about it. So number one, you are getting a foot in the door with these chains, and then that will intrigue your interest. So is it too late to buy and stake Celestia? And no. So that's the other thing. My biggest thing that I'm interested in is Saga. I did a video on that. You can 3 tokenless projects that are coming out. So this is another one, Saga. You can see it says here in their tweet, stay tuned as Saga brings together 5 of our closest tech partners. Celestia is very likely to be one of them. Cosmos is a second one. Maybe even Solana, based on how Dimension did. You never know. But anyway, so that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I hope you can see I've gone through how you can claim, why you should stake. There's another thing I forgot about staking, actually, which I need to mention, is that when you are staking your money, your tokens, that they are not eligible for, you do not pay zakat on it. So because it's a utility and you're using it, so your stake tokens, there are no zakat on it. Whereas with your airdrops, there will be zakat on it. So that's another interesting thing. I've gone through the value of DYM and future possibilities. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next one, peace be with you. Assalamu alaikum.